With the all-electric 3, Smart is adding a stylish new member to its product family. Its European premiere was the highlight of Smart's presentation at the 2023 IAA Mobility, following an impressive debut at Auto Shanghai in April 2023. Distinctive body paired with flowing lines, sporty and exquisite, that is the best way to describe the design of the Smart 3. The new addition to the product portfolio delights design fans with a sporty coupe body, athletic curves and a powerful, shark nose. The wide A-shaped grille and slim LED headlights skillfully round off the front view. The rear is accentuated by a striking spoiler. The large wheels also blend harmoniously into the sporty look. The BRABUS even sports 20-inch rims. With a length of 4.4 meters and a width of 1.8 meters, the car combines a sleek coupe exterior with a comfortable and roomy interior. Another design highlight is the panoramic halo roof, which sets the mood in the Smart 3. The 25th anniversary edition even features a panoramic galaxy roof, enhanced by LED details within the panoramic glass panel. The interior features elegant duo leather seats with an integrated headrest. As a special treat for all Smart fans, the brand has announced that it will be releasing a limited 25th anniversary edition. It combines a unique and exclusive special appearance with features from premium and design elements from BRABUS, a range of 455 kilometers, 22 kilowatts AC charging and an infotainment system consisting of a 12.8-inch central display, a 9.2-inch HD instrument cluster and a 10-inch head-up display, as well as a Beats sound system with 13 speakers. The exclusive design is guaranteed to attract attention. The 25th anniversary edition comes in white with red highlights, black and white leather seats, a very individual panoramic galaxy roof and a sporty body style. There will also be a further co-creation with Smart's long-term partner BRABUS that will accelerate the heartbeat of enthusiasts for spirited driving. As usual, BRABUS takes a sportier direction, offering bigger wheels, sporty pedals, a specially developed engine sound design for a motorsport feel, and all-wheel drive, AWD. For those looking for a luxurious experience, the Premium offers CyberSparks LED plus headlights, ambient lighting in the interior and a Beats sound system on top. At the entry price point, the Pro Plus line is beautifully designed with concealed door handles and comes with a 12.8-inch central display, as well as highway and traffic jam assistance and a wireless charging option. For Germany, the prices start at €43,490 for the Pro Plus, €46,490 for the Premium, €46,990 for the 25th anniversary edition and €50,990 for the BRABUS. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.